Welcome back, everybody, to another deep dive. This time, we're diving into the world of AI agents.
Super interesting topic. Everyone's talking about ChatGPT and AI tools.
Right, exactly. And AI tools are amazing,
It's what?
but they're just one piece of the puzzle, right?
Absolutely.
Like AI agents are something totally different.
So we're talking about
Yes.
AI that can actually work for you. Yes.
AI employees, basically.
Yeah, think of it like Data from Star Trek.
Oh, I love that analogy.
Working 24/7, never taking a break, and really offering some serious advantages.
Especially for businesses like yours listening right now.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's break this down a little bit. What exactly are AI agents?
So AI agents are basically like digital workers.
Go.
They can gather information, they can process it, they can make decisions, and most importantly, they take action
Hmm.
to reach a goal.
To reach a goal.
So it's not just about sitting there passively.
Right.
It's about actually doing something with that information.
Okay, so can you give me an example of how this would work in the real world?
So imagine you have a clothing store
Okay.
and you have an AI agent that's constantly monitoring social media.
Huh?
It's looking at what competitors are doing.
Huh?
It's looking at fashion trends, and then it cross-references that with your sales data
Wow.
to suggest hot new products that you should be stocking.
So it's like having a trend spotter or product development team all in one.
Exactly.
Wow. So it's not just following a set of instructions, it's actually thinking on its feet.
Right. They go beyond simple automation.
Okay.
They adapt, they learn, and they can even handle new situations that they've never encountered before.
That's incredible. It sounds almost human.
It's getting there.
It's getting there.
And the exciting thing is how this can benefit small businesses and entrepreneurs.
Right. Because I think a lot of people think, oh, AI, that's for big companies
Exactly.
with lots of resources. But
But AI agents really level the playing field. They give you access to capabilities that were previously only available to these large corporations.
wow.
And they can do things like suggest new products and services based on real-time trends.
Hmm.
They can respond to competitor pricing.
So I don't have to keep checking what my competitors are doing.
Exactly. It does it all for you automatically.
That's amazing.
And it even improves your overall operations and efficiency.
Okay, so give me some specific examples of how this could actually work, like in my business.
So let's say you have an online electronics store.
Okay.
An AI agent can monitor competitor pricing 24/7 and automatically adjust your website prices to ensure you're always competitive.
Wow. So I don't have to manually check websites and update prices.
Exactly. It saves you so much time and effort.
That sounds amazing.
And it's not just about reacting to the market.
Okay.
AI agents can also be proactive. So think about supply chain optimization for a manufacturing business.
Okay.
An AI agent can analyze your data, see where there might be potential bottlenecks, and then suggest alternative suppliers or shipping routes to minimize delays and costs.
That's amazing because supply chains have been so messed up the last couple of years.
Exactly. And this is where AI can really help.
Wow.
And another great example is personalized email marketing. So an AI agent can analyze your customer data, tailor email campaigns for each individual.
Wow.
So you get higher open rates and ultimately more sales.
So it's like having a marketing team that works for me.
Exactly. And studies have shown this can increase revenue by 20 to 40%.
That's before we go any further, if you're finding this deep dive helpful, please don't forget to like this video and share it with other entrepreneurs
We appreciate it.
who could benefit from this knowledge.
Absolutely.
So we've talked about what AI agents are. We've talked about some of the benefits, but how many different types of AI agents are out there?
So there are actually quite a few different types, but for the sake of our deep dive today, let's focus on the three that are most relevant for entrepreneurs and small businesses.
Okay, love it.
So we have goals-based agents,
Oh.
we have utility agents, and we have autonomous AI agents.
So let's break those down. What are goals-based agents?
So goals-based agents are laser-focused on achieving specific goals. So things like customer communication, lead generation, closing sales. They're super efficient salespeople who never sleep.
Like that?
And they use machine learning and natural language processing to interact with customers in a very human-like way.
So they're not just like robots spitting out canned responses.
No, they actually learn from every interaction.
Wow.
And they're constantly getting better at understanding your customers' needs and providing the right solutions.
That's incredible. So what about the second type? You mentioned utility agents.
So utility agents are more like analysts or managers. They're all about efficiency and optimization.
Mm.
So they handle things like pricing, inventory management, staff scheduling, constantly analyzing data, and finding ways to improve your processes.
So they're the ones keeping everything running smoothly behind the scenes.
Exactly.
I'm starting to really see the potential here.
Good.
What about that third type that you mentioned, autonomous AI agents? Those sound...
So autonomous AI agents are the most advanced. They have a high degree of independence.
Wow.
They can break down complex tasks into smaller sub-goals.
Mm-hmm.
They learn from their experiences, and they adjust their strategies on the fly.
So they're not just following instructions, they're learning and adapting as they go.
Exactly. They're constantly evolving
That's wild.
and improving, making them incredibly valuable for any business.
So this is all really fascinating, but I have to admit, it's still a bit abstract for me.
I
Can
understand.
you give some real-world examples of AI agent tools that people can start using today?
Absolutely. So let's start with AI-assisted lead capture. Imagine you have a website,
Okay.
let's say for your board game store,
Okay, I like board games.
and you have a chatbot on that website that not only answers customer questions, but also captures leads by collecting contact information.
So it's like having a virtual salesperson working 24/7.
Precisely engaging website visitors, turning them into potential customers.
It's amazing. And this type of tool is readily available.
It is readily available and relatively easy to set up.
Wow, that's great. What about Agent GPT? I've heard a lot about Agent GPT.
Agent GPT is very powerful.
How can that be used to benefit a small business?
So imagine you're a dentist or you run a marketing agency working with a dentist and you want to launch a new teeth whitening product. Agent GPT can actually help you develop a complete marketing campaign.
Wow. So it's not just coming up with like taglines or
No,
slogans. It's
it's
actually...
a full-blown strategy.
Wow.
It analyzes successful campaigns in your industry. It identifies trends. It incorporates data about your target audience to create a highly effective strategy. And not only that, it creates a step-by-step plan and provides you with relevant data along the way.
So it's like having a marketing expert guiding me through the entire process.
Exactly.
Wow. That's incredible. Can you walk us through a specific example of how that would work?
Sure.
Like how Agent GPT would develop this campaign?
Let's do that. So let's say your dentist wants to promote their new teeth whitening service to young professionals in the area.
Okay.
Agent GPT could start by analyzing social media trends, identifying the popular platforms where these professionals hang out.
Okay.
And then it could recommend a multi-platform campaign with targeted ads on Instagram and Facebook, showcasing before and after photos, testimonials, things like that.
So it's not just about creating ads, it's about strategically placing them where they'll have the most impact.
Exactly. And Agent GPT could also suggest creating engaging video content, maybe with the dentist explaining the benefits of the new whitening treatment, addressing common concerns that people might have.
That makes a lot of sense because people are more likely to trust information coming from an expert.
Exactly. And to boost engagement even further.
Okay.
Agent GPT might suggest running a contest or a giveaway on social media.
Oh, that's smart.
Encouraging people to share the video, tag their friends,
Yeah, get that organic reach.
Exactly. And the best part is, Agent GPT can track the performance of the campaign in real time.
Wow.
Providing you with data on ad engagement, website, traffic appointment bookings.
So I can see what's working and what's not.
Exactly. And it can even suggest adjustments to the campaign based on that data.
So it's like having a marketing team constantly analyzing and optimizing the campaign.
Precisely.
To get me the best results.
Without you having to spend hours poring over spreadsheets.
Right, or hiring a whole team of marketing people.
Exactly.
This is a game changer.
It is.
Especially for small businesses and solopreneurs.
Absolutely.
Who have limited resources and often wear multiple hats.
AI agents really level the playing field, allowing smaller businesses to compete with the big guys.
By leveraging the power of AI.
Exactly.
I love it. We've talked about so many amazing things today.
Yes, well, a lot to take in.
It is. It's a lot to take in. But let's just take a step back for a minute.
Sure.
And really emphasize why AI agents matter to you, the listener, right now.
Why you should care.
Yes, why you should care. Because this technology is here to stay. It's not going away.
Yeah.
It's only going to get more sophisticated,
Um,
more powerful. And those who embrace it early on,
They're the ones who are going to have a significant advantage.
absolutely. It's not just about, staying ahead of the curve.
Right.
It's about adapting to a new way of doing business, a new reality. And AI agents, they free up your time so you could focus on what you do best, what you're passionate about,
And let AI handle the repetitive tasks.
the things that we all hate doing.
Nobody likes doing data entry.
Exactly. Imagine, accomplishing in seconds.
What used to take hours or even days.
It is mind-blowing. It's like the dream for any entrepreneur, right?
Absolutely.
More time to grow your business, serve your customers, focus on your passions.
It's a powerful combination.
It is.
Human ingenuity
Yes.
and AI efficiency.
I love that.
Yeah.
And if you're as excited as we are about this, don't forget to like this video.
And share it.
Share it with your friends, other entrepreneurs.
Let's spread the word.
Let's spread the word about how AI is transforming the business world.
Absolutely.
All right, so to sum it up, AI agents can help you come up with new product ideas,
Find the best prices.
streamline your operations,
Yeah.
boost your marketing,
Free up your time.
free up your time to focus on what matters most.
Exactly.
Now with all these different AI agents and tools popping up,
Yeah.
how do you choose the right one for your business?
It's a great question, and it can definitely be overwhelming.
It can.
But the best thing to do is start by identifying the specific challenges or opportunities that you want to tackle.
So are you looking to automate your marketing, improve customer service, streamline your operations?
All right.
Once you know that, then you can consider your budget
Right.
and your technical expertise, because some AI agents are more complex.
Okay.
They require, some specialized knowledge to implement,
Right.
while others are more user-friendly, designed for smaller businesses
Got it.
with limited resources.
So do your research and choose a tool that fits your current abilities
Exactly.
and resources.
And don't be afraid to experiment.
Yeah.
Try out different platforms.
Okay.
Explore the features. See what works best for you.
I like that approach because it's all about being adaptable
Absolutely.
and willing to learn as this technology continues to evolve.
The more you experiment, the more you explore,
Right.
the better you'll understand how to take advantage of AI agents.
It's like anything new, the more you use it, the more comfortable you become.
Yeah.
Okay, so now for a question that I think is on a lot of people's minds.
Okay.
Some people are worried that AI agents are going to replace human jobs.
Yeah, it's a valid concern.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on that?
While it's true that AI agents will automate some tasks, their primary purpose is to help people, not replace them.
So it's more about humans and machines working together
Exactly.
to achieve better outcomes.
Think of AI agents as powerful tools
Okay.
that can help us work more efficiently.
Okay.
They can handle those repetitive tasks,
Right.
freeing us up to focus on more strategic and creative work.
So instead of fearing AI, we should see it as a way to enhance our skills
Absolutely.
and open up new possibilities. It is about evolution. So the key is to adapt and evolve with the technology.
Adapt and evolve.
Okay.
By embracing AI agents, we can create a more productive, a more innovative, and ultimately a more human-centered
I love that.
work
A
environment.
more human-centered work environment because it's not about replacing humans. Right.
It's about making our lives better.
Exactly.
And I love that perspective. This is so interesting. And it's exciting to see how businesses are using AI to become more efficient and innovative.
Absolutely.
But I'm curious about the impact of AI on individuals.
Yeah.
How could AI agents benefit our personal lives?
Oh, that's a great question. So imagine having a personal AI agent
Okay.
that helps you manage your schedule,
Okay.
books appointments, filters your emails, and even plans your vacations.
Wow.
It learns your preferences, it anticipates your needs.
Like a personal assistant.
It's like a personal assistant that knows you better than you know yourself.
That's incredible. So no more spending hours sorting through spam emails
Exactly.
or trying to coordinate everybody's schedules for like a family dinner.
All that hassle is gone.
Wow. AI could free up so much time and mental energy for things that actually matter.
Exactly. And think about personalized learning.
Okay.
So AI agents could analyze your learning style, recommend resources, and even provide personalized feedback.
So it's like having a tutor available 24/7.
Exactly, a customized tutor just for you.
That's amazing. It could really change how people learn and grow
Absolutely.
throughout their lives.
And it can even help us manage our health and well-being.
How so?
So imagine an AI agent that's monitoring your fitness tracker data,
Okay.
providing personalized exercise recommendations, reminding you to take your medication.
Wow. It's incredible to think about how AI could personalize and improve so many aspects of our lives,
Really is.
from our work to our health to our personal growth.
It's a transformative technology with almost limitless potential.
I'm really starting to see that.
But as we continue to explore and develop AI, it's important to do so with a focus on people, making sure that it benefits all of humanity.
Well said. It's a reminder that we're not just creating technology, we're creating the future.
That's right.
And it's up to us to make sure that future is one where humans and AI work together to
Absolutely.
create a better world for everyone.
I couldn't agree more. It's an exciting time to be alive.
It is.
And I can't wait to see how AI shapes our world in the years to come.
Me too. Well, thanks to everyone for joining us on this deep dive into AI agents.
Thanks for listening.
We hope you found it insightful and inspiring. And remember, the future is in our hands.
That's right.
And with AI, we can create a truly amazing tomorrow.